Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and today is the first time I'm getting my kayak down this summer, because summer started officially yesterday. Since I didn't use the kayak for months now, the first one is always a simple kayak, so that I check everything is okay and I'm safe. So I will be very close to the shore and I will do it inside the harbor as well. So like this, anything happens, I can easily climb down the wall or the shore and either call for help or I go for the car. My plan for today is to go to Kalkara, part of Virgo, and maybe even to Valletta. So I will be touring around the shore of the harbor. In front of me you can see the old British hospital, Biggie, which you will see even from the front, and unfortunately the one you see in front of me up here is the last wall collapse, gave way into the sea. We have swimming zone in front of me. If you turn this side, there is Rinella Bay, very nice. Here I did many vlogs, and here is Fort Castle, where part of the film Gladiator will be done. I don't think you can see the upper part where there's the gate. There is part of the set of Gladiator. In front of me it's Valletta. On the shore of Kalkara one can see these buildings, which were thermal baths, part of the British hospital, Biggie, and we'll see many of them. These baths worked because they had a pumping station where they used to heat the water. This is water. Another very important thing is that I have to thank my two sponsors for this video. One of them is Zoleo, which is the emergency satellite communicator. So if I have an emergency, I can just press the SOS button even if I don't have cell service. Today will not be a problem, but once you go kayaking under cliffs, many know that you don't have cell service. From there I can message my partner or other people, or even call for help. Another plus is now they have a medical service, so if I have any type of medical assistance, I need any kind of medical assistance, I can message them and a medic can help me with what I have, and then we can decide if it's an emergency or not. Another big thank you goes to JM Motors, car dealer from Jason Malia, who as well sponsored this video, which I thank him very much. He's a used car dealer with plenty of selection, and you have to go there and meet this guy to see how nice person and helpful he is. From here one can see this one of the thermal baths, and in front of me we have another thermal bath, and the one up here is Biggie, the old Royal Hospital. And now we go to visit inside Kalkara. Here one can see this pier and this lift, which was used to get patients up and down to the hospital. And we have this nice bridge. When I was young, many people used to come here and jump from here. Let me show you better. From up here, from this shelter, people used to jump to the sea, those who were courageous enough, and me, I was not one of them. So now let's continue to the Kalkara. This is this fair the Science Museum in Malta, and this building here was on the verge of collapse, which have been restored, which is a very nice thing. Then there's that lift, amazing. And now I have to go back because here is blocked with the marina. Since I'm with the kayak, I can pass nearly from everywhere. I don't have any propellers, and I'm very low as well. Although now I think I'm pushing it with those ropes. I don't want to get stuck. It's really nice, those yachts. Kalkara is being overhauled everywhere, the seafront, and I am very eagerly waiting that it finishes so I go and enjoy this beautiful place. I remember it's my lovely hometown, my ex-hometown, but in my heart it still is, although I love Zabbar. In front of me there is the Kalkara Club and also a very good restaurant, which I came here a couple of times, and the pizza is amazing. But mostly what I remember here is something else, that I will, it's important that I will never forget, because here, first of all, that garage under the road there, and this slipway here, I used to come with my best friend Mark Allen, who sadly passed away, that I spent many hours here, and with his family they treat me like their son, and he even here he teach me scuba diving. That garage there where was his summer residence, and where he kept his boat with his family. They are very nice people. Remember his mom Frida and his father Joe, if I'm not mistaken. In front of me you can see the church, which is dedicated to Saint Joseph. And I always remember the feast here. I was supporting Malta, it's called. Now I reach Kalkara. As I told you before, a lot of works being done here. Very beautiful area here. You can see the main church. Behind me is where I wished I always had an apartment, or one up here. Imagine having this beautiful view. But now let's continue our way to Birgu, continue with Birgu, hopefully visit a cave there, and then go to Valletta. Now we are going to Vittoriosa, where there is the slipways. This has been overhauled as well, and this part here, I remember my mother tell me that a young boy was fishing here, and unfortunately slipped and drowned in this area, and find him the water here. If I'm not mistaken, his name was Samuel. In front of me you can see the bastions of Vittoriosa or Birgu. And this here today is a mirror inside here. Look how nice it is. Now we left Kalkara and we are at Vittoriosa again. Here this promenade of Vittoriosa has been overhauled as well, and it's very nice. I had to come for a walk here. Here I'm nearly under Fort Sant'Angelo. Look how beautiful these three arches are here. And here is a very nice cave. Now let's go and check a beautiful cave. If I'm not mistaken, it's called ir-Rih, because I did this video here. It's called Birgu Hidden Cave, and many people pointed out that it's called ir-Rih. Look, this is the opening. So let's go and check this out. By now you know that I like caves, eh? And if it's by walk, by sea, or by abseiling, I try to check them out. I go in slowly, just in case I run into problems. Going slowly and check the air and see the sun. The color of the sea is amazing, yeah? Very small now. Okay, you can tell, no? And it's also impressive when you look at from the inside out. Eh? It's hot. And hopefully it is another place. Eh? Wow, how beautiful it is. Wow, how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful this place is. Under for seconds, yeah. This old crane here. You can see Valletta on the other side there. Lots of tourist activity in this area. This catamaran, the river, ferries passengers around the Grand Harbour. Eh? A small piece of advice: in my PFD, I always carry my mobile phone in a protective case, so just in case I fell from my kayak, I still can use my mobile phone. Always I have my satellite communicator here, and here I have a sharp knife as well, just in case I need to cut some rope. Here in front of me, it's the old fish market or Pescaria, where fishermen catch their fish and sell them here. Here is the second cave I told you about, because I am under Valletta. It's very tight with the kayak. You cannot even paddle properly inside, but it's very interesting. And it's quite deceiving because you think that it's a dead end, and then it opens up fairly large. Eh? I will go in very quickly because I need to use my hands on the sides as well. Eh? We are going under the bastions here. It's very tricky when there's waves like that. But let's try to go slowly and prepare with your hands with the sides. As I'm doing here. And like this, you think it's closes off. What? Up to there, because it's very narrow here. But it's very nice. Eh? Makes it more interesting. Eh? You can see here. Quite a bit sitting everywhere. But look the view when we are here. How beautiful it is. Amazing, yeah? Going out of sea cage with the kayak. It's something else, magical. The light, huh? It's amazing. And it's very, very large, eh? It goes up until 5 meters up or even more. And from here, you get a good view of the great water. Oh, it's very nice. Hope you enjoyed this vlog from the Grand Harbour. Please like and subscribe, and if you know something better, always comment below. You need to subscribe to Pierre Farrugia on YouTube and follow me on Instagram, Pierre Farrugia Malta. I have to remind you that I need to say a big thank you to Zoleo, who sponsored this video, and to JM Motors, the car dealer, who sponsored also this video. Until next time, bye bye. Yeah?